The Moto Pad 60 Pro is Motorola's latest tablet, boasting a vibrant 12.7-inch 3K display with a smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8300, it offers a large 10,200 mAh battery and quad JBL speakers with Dolby Atmos, making it ideal for both productivity and entertainment. Smart Connect. Control Stream Transfer. Motorola Pad 60 Pro. Pantone registered trademark symbol. Curated color. Bronze green. The Pro Power. Battery. 10,200 mAh. Up to 10 hours. Usage. Turbo Power trademark symbol charging. 45W. 2 MotoPen Pro. Included in the box. 4096 pressure level vertical bar. Up to 35 HRS battery life. MediaTek trademark symbol Dimensity 8300. MediaTek Dimensity 1300. 1.3 mN Antutu score. 12.73K 144Hz display. JBL plus Dolby Quad speakers. 3. Ultra Smooth display. This Motorola Pad 60 Pro enables you to enjoy your favorite content on the stunning 32.25 cm, 12.7, 3K display, while the quad JBL speakers deliver immersive sound. With a 10,200 mAh all-day battery and quick charging, you can even stay connected from day to night. 4. MotoPen Pro. The Moto Pen Pro seamlessly combines classic charm with modern convenience, offering a sleek design that fits comfortably in the palm of your hand. With 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, it ensures enhanced precision for every stroke. Featuring tilt detection and palm rejection, the Moto Pen Pro even delivers a smooth and natural writing or drawing experience. Paired with up to 35 hours of battery life, it also boosts your productivity if you're an artist, writer, or just a note-taker with more time to focus on what you love. 5. Seamless performance. MediaTek trademark symbol Dimensity 8300. MediaTek Dimensity 8300. 1.3 mN Antutu score. This Moto Pad 60 Pro delivers an optimum level of performance. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8300 chipset, it even ensures lightning-fast speeds and seamless multitasking. With an impressive 1.3 million Antutu score, this tablet also handles even the most demanding tasks with ease. Built on a 4nm process, this Moto Tab 60 Pro offers maximum efficiency, providing you with smooth performance, stunning visuals, and an ultra-responsive experience that keeps you engaged all the time. 6. Tools and Google and Moto Pen Pro. The AI tools with Google, paired with the Moto Pen Pro, allow you to translate anything without interrupting your flow by switching apps. You can circle a text, search it, and forget the grind. Moreover, you can stay organized and focused with intuitive AI tools that simplify your day. Therefore, this tablet allows you to effortlessly switch between tasks, find what you need quickly, and keep everything in one place, so you are always efficient and systematic. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.